Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you what I like to call the Victoria bundt cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Cream some butter, oil and sugar in a bowl until the color has changed and it's nice and light like this. And then add in your eggs one at a time and whisk well between each egg added. Add in your vanilla extract and flour and fold in for a little bit, and then add in your plain yogurt and mix until it's nice and smooth. Put the mixture in your prepared cake tin and smooth the top with a knife. Bake this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Leave this to cool on a cooling rack for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then put a cooling rack on top of your cake tin, and then flip the cake over and lift the cake tin off the cake. As you can see, it's got a beautiful imprint on top from the cake tin. Just leave this to cool completely. When it's cooled down, cut the cake in half lengthways, and then you can now spread some buttercream or pipe it on. I'm gonna just pipe some rosettes on top of my cake, and then fill in any gaps that are not covered with the roses and just fill them in with some buttercream. And then on the other half I'm going to spread some jam, and then I'm going to sandwich these two together, and that's it. You can now also add some bit of icing sugar on top if you want. I'm going to cut it open so that you can see the nice cake layers. As you can see, it's nice and cooked, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.